y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie. I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So I don't know, like y'all know me, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love me a good little Sunday dinner. And I've been ripping and running. I have not had a proper one in a little minute. So this past Sunday, I was like, nah, we gotta make something comforting. And I was like, oh, you know what hits the spot, especially since it's just turned fall? A little shepherd's pie. So if you want to see how I made a vegan shepherd's pie, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I know the British babes are gonna be like, oh, cottage pie is this, shepherd's pie, da da da. It doesn't matter because it's not meat anyway. So I'm gonna call it the thing that's most popularly known for, the shepherd's pie. But like, I guess shepherd's pie is like supposed to be lamb, and then cottage pie it's supposed to be beef. But like I said, it don't matter because this is not meat anyway. Okay, so we move, so calm down. Anyway, so I am sauteing up some veg. I did like half an onion and a bell pepper. I'm not a celery girl, so don't look for it. Okay, so I was thinking through, like, I don't mind Impossible meat or like Beyond Meat, but honestly, like, if you know me, it really just depends on the time of the year. Cause like sometimes I'll be like, ooh, this makes me gag. Right now, I could do Impossible meat. But if you don't like faux meat, or you're not a, you don't like faux meat, or you're not like a, what am I trying to say? Impossible meat girl, you don't do that. I feel like mushrooms will work really well for that. One day, I'm going to remake my videos without using faux meat. Some of them. And I feel like mushrooms, mushroom walnut mixture will work really well for this. Okay, so if you try that, let me know. I'm gonna do it. I know people have been asking for it. Like, people have been asking for it, but like, let me just get my life on track, okay? Like, there's been a lot of changes going on behind the scenes, and I'm trying to expand Katie Makes It Vegan to be real cute, y'all. So just give me a second, okay? Please, I beg. Okay, so I put some Impossible meat down in the thing, and I'm gonna season up the way I like to season up. Do they got Sazon in Great Britain? I don't think so, but you know me, I'm gonna put some Sazon. I'm gonna put a little bit of tomato paste. I put mine in the freezer because I got tired of buying cans of tomato paste. And then what am I gonna do with a whole can of tomato paste? And then if you got a tube, the tube only lasts 2 weeks. I don't need tomato paste in 2 weeks either. Put it in the freezer. See, I'm using my whole brain. Anyway, I seasoned up the way I like to do it. I put some dried thyme. If I have fresh thyme, that'll go on fire. I ain't had none. I put Sazon, I put garlic powder, I put onion powder, I put this, I put that. You feel what I'm saying? Then I put like okay, I didn't mean to put this much in there. Like, you saw it kind of happen kind of fast. Like, life comes at you fast, bro. But I put like a cup and a half of this like carrot peas mixture. I don't know, I thought it was a good amount, okay? And what else? Oh, I use a vegan chicken stock cube. You can skip it, but I always have them around. Every time I go to Whole Foods, I pick up a box. So I got mad boxes in there. People be discontinuing stuff when, you know, so I got my stuff together. Okay, and I deglaze it a little bit with some water because I didn't want it to be plaka. All right, I would not skip that. Just deglaze it so it can be a little soupy, a little something, you know, a little gravy, something. Okay, off camera, I boiled 3 potatoes. I think it's about 2 cups of potatoes. No, I would say like 3 cups of potatoes, but like, it'll be in the recipe. Okay, I ran out of butter because I had a recipe fail. Oh my gosh, I'm so devastated. Hopefully you'll see it on Friday. That's the plan. Okay, I had to remake it. When stuff fails and my schedule is tight, it's just like, dang, ain't no video. Like, I was so devastated, and especially like vegan butter is not cheap, but we moved, so I didn't have enough butter. So I did butter, and I did this vegan boursin that I get from Trader Joe's. Came out fire. Now, I ain't gonna tell you to do that. The recipe gonna say butter, but you know, do what you want to do. Okay, I added some vegan Parmesan. I'm really liking this one for Trader Joe's right now. Like, I really use it. I keep it on hand when I want a quick pasta. You know what I'm saying? I do like pasta, some regular old jarred tomato sauce, and then some of this Parmesan, and I mix it together. It gets a little creamy. Like, that's like a go-to midweek. I got 20 minutes. Especially, like, I don't really eat out like that because I don't think Memphis is a vegan city. So when I first moved here, there's been some stories. Okay, I can tell some stories about like some traumatic little moments that happen when it comes to food. I just don't like eating out here. That's like a quick little midnight meal. Anyway, I mashed my potatoes together. I thought about using immersion blender, but I just couldn't be asked. And yeah, I'm just mixing together. I thinned it out with some oat milk, making it creamy, and I'm spreading it on top of my little dish. And I was like, oh no, it's giving very much Pip Pip. It's giving very much Cheerio. Like, it's coming together. I'm like, why haven't I made a shepherd's pie before? Like, vegan or not, like, why haven't I done this in my entire life? Okay, is she a little crispy? Yes. Was she fat? Yes. I'm telling you, 10 out of 10. Let me tell you what happened. So I baked this, right? Boom, I baked it in the morning. And then I was like, all right, it's done. I need to go to my concert. You know, I do orchestra. That's my little job or whatever. Okay, I come back and I'm like, I need to heat it up. And you know, got a little crispy, but it was so good. Let me know if you like shepherd's pie. Let me know. British girls, like, you know, they get dragged in the media for their food because, you know, but this, no, they ate this up. Let me know what you think. If you're British, let me know how I did, but don't do too much now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos because there's no other videos. Thank you again, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.